In today's video, you'll learn how to avoid toenail removal after a podiatrist suggested he remove this client's big toenails and second toenails. Her concern was her nails were beginning to feel tight and get thicker. I'm showing you the before and after photos so you can see what one conservative restorative pedicure visit can do and how there are other options than removing your toenails, which can cause other issues. I'll tell you what other issues can cause thick toenails and tight toenails and what signs to look for, so stay tuned. Not all discoloration means nail fungus. There are different types of nail fungus. It could even be started by trauma, but there seems to only be surface stains and no lifting or severe thickness. She can have the nail tested to know for sure, but from experience I would think no, but I know she doesn't need to have her nails removed, and if she can add moisture back to her nails to relieve the tightness and make sure she isn't having health issues, the nails will feel better.
Yeah, so it's when your toenails aren't getting the same amount of oxygen through the bloodstream, things can grow slower and it gets thicker. And then you get this skin buildup. Everything just feels super tight.
Yes. Are they ingrown or?
Not really.
No, okay.
No, more
Okay.
more impacted or compacted.
Okay.
But your body sheds skin cells. You know, the surface of your skin sheds skin cells, but so does it down in here.
Okay.
And when it's so tight against your toenail, there's nowhere for that skin to go.
Right.
And it just builds up and builds up and builds up.
Okay.
By the time we're finished,
I bet.
a little overwhelmed.
I bet. That's the one.
This is the one. When we're finished, remind me to show you the video I made last night
Okay.
to show you the difference in just 4 weeks
Oh, wow, okay.
of someone's pinch your toenails.
Okay.
It'll definitely give you hope.
Good. Okay. So you have a very light.
Have you ever bent like a Tupperware lid or a piece of plastic and it gets that like white line in it? So that's what all of these lines in your toenails are.
Okay.
It's the nail being pinched that
Okay.
it's making those little lines. Those will grow out.
Okay.
Those will go away.
Oh, see, that side doesn't even hurt if you're touching it. Me at home, I'd be like,
They still need to soak again. They're still pretty tight. See, it's this compacted skin that's underneath the corners of those nails
Okay.
that makes everything so uncomfortable. So I'm just making space so the product can actually penetrate down into your sideway wall and underneath your nail.
Okay.
And everything will lift up and away.
Wear nail polish, right?
Not while you're using it,
Okay.
but I would say in 4 weeks you can totally use it.
Nope, I felt something right there.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. Yeah, it can just get plastered to your skin.
Mm-hmm.
Toenails will curl and skin gets stuck underneath there. Now it feels unstuck.
Thanks so much for staying tuned until the end. Nail techs, please visit my academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com if you want to learn how to be in the top 1% of earning nail techs out there. I guarantee what I teach you will transform your career for the best. It's unlike anything you've ever learned from any other company. Just ask my graduates. Clients are looking for you through my network, and I would love to help you grow your business. Hope to see you soon, and I hope all of you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to check out my giveaway contest.